Hello students, how are you all doing? Hope that you must be fit and well. I, Suresh, stays at Kachrapada district, North 24 Parganas, West Bengal, India. I am a very well mathematics teacher. I am in this profession from more than 25 years. I teach mathematics up to the standard 12 of all the boards. My students always score very good marks in mathematics because I teach mathematics by giving a very clear concept of the subject matter. It is wrong to praise ourselves, but I can tell only that you will not get a much better mathematics teacher than me. Today we are doing a sum of geometrical theorem. Okay, now the theorem is the Pythagoras theorem. The Pythagoras theorem. Okay, now what does the Pythagoras theorem states? The Pythagoras theorem states that in any right angle triangle, okay, suppose this is a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at A. The square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So, in this triangle, it is given that angle A is 90 degree. Okay, so what we have to prove here, required to prove is that BC squared is equals to AB squared plus AC squared. That is the square of the hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. For this, there is a construction required. The construction is from A. You drop a perpendicular AD on the BC. Okay. Now that is the construction. Now now we will prove the theorem. Okay. Now see here. How we will prove it? In the triangle ABD. Okay. In triangle ABD and triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. Now what we have in these two triangles? See here. This angle is in common in both the triangles. Angle angle ABD is equals to angle ABC of the bigger triangle because they are common. Okay. Now next, angle ADB, angle ADB is equals to angle BAC because each are 90 degree. Okay. Now the third angle will be then equal. Okay, because the sum of the three angles of a triangle are equals to 180 degrees. Therefore the angle BAD will be equals to angle ACB. Angle ACB because sum of three angles of a triangle equals to 180 degree. Okay, so the three angles of this triangle are equals to the three angles of the bigger triangle. So these two triangles become similar. So therefore triangle ABD becomes similar to the triangle ABC. Okay, the reason is angle similarity. So as a result, what we will have? So therefore we will have the corresponding sides are proportional. So the opposite to 90 degree here in the smaller triangle AB. Therefore AB upon BC opposite to 90 degree sides. Okay. Now that is equals to opposite to this angle BD. Okay. BD divided by opposite to this angle AB. Okay. So from here what we have here, cross multiply, so this become AB squared is equals to BC into BD. So this is statement number 1. I am writing the statement number 1 here separately. Okay, so AB squared is equals to BC into BD. So that is the statement number 1. Now what we will do, okay, now the next part, okay, now see here. So now in the triangle ACD, in triangle ACD and triangle ABC, now in these two triangles what we have, this angle is common. Okay, angle ACD is equals to angle ACB. Okay, ACB, because these two angles are common. Okay, so these two angles are common. Okay, now the 90 degree are in both the triangles. Okay, so angle ADC is equals to angle BAC. Okay, BAC, because each is 90 degree. So the third angle has to be equal, because the sum of the angles together equals to 180 degree. Okay, so therefore this angle has to be equals to this angle. Okay, and therefore angle CAD is equals to angle ABC, because sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So the three angles of these two triangles are equal, so the triangles are similar. So therefore the triangle ACD becomes similar to triangle ABC. Same reason, angle, similarity. Okay, so the result, the corresponding sides will be proportional. Okay, so here 90 degree opposite side in a smaller triangle, so therefore AC divided by the 90 degree opposite side BC, okay, will be equals to here this angle opposite side DC, okay, upon here this angle opposite side, because these two angles are equal, upon AC. Okay, so from here we get AC squared by cross multiplication is equals to BC into DC. So this is the statement number 2. Okay, now I am writing here statement number 2 separately. AC squared is equals to BC into DC. So this is the statement number 2. Now we will add these two statements. Okay, now see here. So now we will add these two statements. Okay, now adding 1 and 2. So therefore adding 1 and 2. Okay, adding 1 and 2 we have. So what we have? AB squared plus AB squared, AC squared. So therefore AB squared plus AC squared on the left hand side. Here BC is common, so I am taking BC common out. So that will be BD plus DC. Okay, so here AB squared plus AC squared is equals to BC into BD plus DC is equals to BC. Okay, so that is equals to BC squared. So that was required to prove, that is BC squared is equals to AB squared plus AC squared. Hence we have proved the theorem. Okay, so I hope that you must have understood this sum very clearly. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Okay, stay fine. So what are you thinking about? Book a trial lesson and let's start and continue our studies of mathematics. Okay, thanks. Stay fine.